Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Here I have some Oaxaca melting cheese. You should be able to find it in your local grocery store. If not, just use a cheese that melts easily. This is beef chorizo. I personally prefer beef chorizo, but if you like pork, go ahead. You know, it's your preference on that part, but for me, I always use beef chorizo. And then of course here are some 12 flour tortillas. Okay, so first thing is we're going to get a non-stick pan. So we're going to turn the heat on that one. Okay, so my pan has preheated already, so we're going to go ahead and add our chorizo. Just like that. Kind of break it up within your hands. There we go. When making chorizo, you want to just break it up and cook it. You don't need to add any more flavor to it because this is already very flavorful. I'm gonna keep breaking it. Oh, and I love the way chorizo smells. Now, the only thing with chorizo is to be careful with is once it starts frying, it's gonna start popping everywhere. So I already broke it up pretty fine. So now we're just gonna let it cook, okay? So I already had took this off the heat because it started popping. Remember I was telling you it'll start popping and getting everywhere. I walked away. Alright, so this is ready. We're gonna go ahead and put this to the side. And we're gonna go and get like a flat grill or whatever you may have. I use this. So we're gonna go ahead and get this hot. Okay, so this already heated up. It's pretty hot. Let me turn it down just a little bit. And here's my cheese. I went ahead and shred it on the side. I went ahead and did this on the side, and I just used one of these. Nothing fancy. One thing I forgot to mention is that you're gonna need some butter or oil, whatever you have on hand. And I'm gonna show you how we put this together, okay? We're gonna go ahead and get one of these. I have a little brush. Okay. And we're gonna get a tortilla. We're going to go ahead and put it on the side. So then we're going to get some cheese. Just like this. The amount of cheese you want, it all depends on you. So that'll work. Let's try it like that this time. Let's get some chorizo. I know it looks gross, but trust me, it's really good. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and put the other tortilla on top. And we're going to do this. You want to flip it right away. Okay. So I'm going to keep making my quesadillas, and I'm going to show you at the end how they look. Alright guys, so here are my quesadillas. And this is where I put them when they're coming off the heat. But let me show you the inside. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's so good. And you can have any kind of condiment with it on the side, whatever's your choice. I love to dip mine in the salsa de guacamole. You can have a sour cream, however you like. Let me go ahead and cut into one so you can see how it looks. And then you can make them how thick or thin you want them. I've seen them made thicker. But of course you're going to need more cheese and of course more chorizo. But these are perfect. Look. These are great little appetizers. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I hope you guys give this a try. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will talk to you guys again later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.